the API app. I've changed it up a little bit, different naming and stuff like that. I added a filter card. Um, so this is a little bit different to the one we had in the lab. So it used to be up here, and I have it spanned across the width of the screen. I can search through movies using a text field, the different genres. I can sort the movies based on their title, release date, movie count, and rating. So demonstrate that. Let's do vote count. So different movies are listed. So I can also minimum rating set to this movie and popularities. We'll do. There we go. This is four listed. So we'll just reset it. So yeah, these are the different movie cards that are listed. As you see when I hover over it, there's a different box shadow on the back, a bit of a red underglow, and it also makes the cards highlight a little bit bigger. I can add a movie to my favorites page, just listed here, and I can sort through the different movies I add here. Go back to the home page. I can add them. I can add a lot of movies to my watch list page. So there's loads of different movies listed here. Maybe back to the home. I can also delete these movies as well if I needed to. Back to the home page. Um, so I can see, so this movie here, Afterburn, if I click the review button, snack bar pops up. This one doesn't have any reviews. Let me go back. I know what this one does. So different reviews written about this movie can be listed here from different authors. Go back to the home page. So in the movie details page, so there's different information listed using the use effect from different API endpoints. Um, so so this includes extensive information. So the different API endpoints gather data from the movies. So like production countries, this movie is in United States of America, different directors, the keywords for this movie, if it has a streaming provider, the main actor in this movie, and their character name. If the movie has alternative titles, and then the movies that are similar to this specific movie. So these are all different movies that are um, similar. So if I go and here's breadcrumbs that I've added, so I can go back to the movies page, like so. So my favorite page I've listed, I've shown you that. If I go into, let's go now playing. So these are movies that are now playing in theater. I have breadcrumbs at the top, my filter, and these are specific movies that are currently playing in theaters right now. We can just sort by title. I can sort it as well by the release date. Changes up. So let me show you. I added popular as well. It's different UI layout. So this page shows movies that are currently popular right now. So as you can see, it's a different UI, breadcrumbs at the top, information, so release date, if it's 18s, likes, votes, popularity. I have more info on reviews, so I can more info about the movie here. A little snack bar popped up. So let me go back. So yeah, I can scroll down to all the different movies. And then if I go to TV, so I added another page that shows the TV shows. So I can filter through different TV shows. So we have It, we have The Witcher, Stranger Things, Grey's Anatomy, so all these different movies. And I can go into the filters. So let me sort by release date. This is brand new. Genre is to crime. So we have NCIS, with Dexter, Law and Order, and Tulsa King. Um, so that's the movie or the TV shows. And then we have the different information listed about these movies, so release date, popularity, likes, vote count, what language it's in. This is English. They're all English, I believe. If I change it back to what it was, we just do all. And there's some of them that'll be listed in different languages, like this movie here. So if I go back to the last page, which is upcoming movies, similar concept of movies homepage. So there's just different movies that are upcoming, and their associated endpoint information. So there we go. So back to the home page. So yeah, I think that's everything I've covered. Yep, thank you.